Welcome back to another installment of Just a Tip, and today we're going to be talking about dimple dies. What the hell is a dimple die? We got a panel here that we're building for a project, and we're going to give it some aesthetics. We're going to give it some dimple dies. We'll show you the process and to help explain what it is and what it does. So it actually has these lines that'll find you the center of your circle. So for example, I'm gonna drill my hole. I wanna find my center. So I pick my diameter. I'll make my marks. And bam. Now that we have our holes drilled, to give you a little bit better explanation of what a dimple die is and does. Now that we have our hole drilled, we're gonna take our die and we're gonna press it in between the metal. And what that's gonna do is, you see the beveled edge here? That's actually gonna create a little dimple. It's gonna create a dimple. And what that does is just makes the panel look really, really badass, and that's it. No, I'm just kidding. It actually originated from just strengthening. So strengthening and making things lightweight. Well, it makes it lightweight by removing the material, and then it puts the strength back into it by dimpling it. Very similar to like if you were to do a bead in a panel, like a straight bead on a different type of bead roll. But so we're gonna go ahead and get this all dimpled. So dimple die in a nutshell, gives it a little bit more rigidity, does make it look really cool. I mean, obviously this is primarily for aesthetics. It's gonna be an inner panel piece. Makes it lightweight, makes it strong. If you have any questions, drop it down in the comments. I'll check it out. Let me know if you like what you see, or if you want to see any more, or different kind of tools you want me to cover, or procedures or anything like that. Give me a shout. I appreciate you watching. Stay tuned for more.